My dear students, today we are going to discuss partial fractions. Using partial fractions, how to do integration. Okay? Before going to that, let us see the varieties and the types of partial fractions. Then we will go to the integration. Okay. As we know that it is a rational function is defined as the ratio of two polynomials in the form of p of x by q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomials in x. Denominator cannot be equal to 0. So, p of x by q of x, p of x by q of x, if you say like this, p of x by q of x, if you say like this, now what has happened? Q of x cannot be equal to 0. These two are polynomials. The ratio of the two polynomials is a rational function. Now we are going to this type in this type. Okay. Now type 1. Type 1 is what means? Type 1, because suppose any function given, I will tell you, by 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 form, or x minus a into x minus b form, doesn't matter. Instead of a 1 is there, instead of b 2 is there. So whenever problem is given like this, whenever you want to split into partial fractions, denominator is very important. Before splitting the partial fractions, we must know first of all whether it is a proper fraction or not. If it is not a proper fraction, we have to put into proper fraction form, and improper fraction. If it is improper fraction, you should put into proper fraction, then you should proceed. So, splitting partial fractions we always do when it is a proper fraction. What do you mean by proper fraction? When the variable power of the numerator and the variable power of the denominator, if we compare, numerator power, variable power must be less than the variable power of the denominator. If so, then it is called proper fraction. For example, here 1 is there. What is the variable here? X power 0. 1 you can write as x power 0. So here 0 is there. Here x into x, x square, 2 is there. So 0 is less than 2. Hence it is a proper fraction. Like that. Improper fraction, when you can call numerator, variable power of the numerator is more than the denominator, or if it is equal. In both these two cases, it will come like this also. Okay. Remember these two now. Okay. So first of all, this is a proper fraction according to our guidelines. So therefore, x minus 1 into x minus 2. So always we must see that after proper fraction, we are least bothered about the numerator, we are only see about the denominator. Now a denominator, how is there means, this is called x power 1 separately, here also x power 1. This is called non-repeated linear factors. Denominator containing non-repeated linear factors. Then the form of the fraction, how can you split means a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. These are the things. You understood? When the denominator containing non-repeated linear factors, the way which you are going to split is a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2, where a comma b are constants. Non-repeated means what, sir? Here see, here x minus 1 only is there, nothing is there means 1. So, x minus are repeated only one time, so it is not repetition. If it is square is there, x minus 1 whole square is there, then x minus 1 repeated 2 times, then it is called repeated linear factor. Only one is there means non-repeated linear factor. So in this case, it is a non-repeated linear factor, that only I told now. So when denominator containing non-repeated linear factor, we can split it is in the form of a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. This is type 1. You may get doubt, sir, if it is x minus 3, no problem, plus c by x minus 3. If x minus 4 plus d by x minus 4, like that only you can write any number, okay, according to the denominator, as far as Denominator containing non-repeated linear factors, we can write like this. Okay, this is called type 1. Next, type 2. In this type 2, same, it should be proper fraction. For example, if I write x by x plus 1 into x minus 3, something like that, you can change. Now, x power is how much? 1. X into x is how much? X square, 2. 1 by 2 proper or improper? Proper. Okay, so this is a proper fraction, nothing to see here. Again, there is no difference between these two. It is also denominator containing non-repeated factor. A by b by only will write. In this case, what I will put? Square I will put here. So now what will happen now? X by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 3 means now degree. X square into x cube, it is 1 by 3. Even more proper fraction, no problem at all. So if it is a proper fraction now, here what happened? Denominator containing repeated linear factor. This is type 2. Here denominator containing non-repeated linear factor. Here denominator containing repeated linear factor. This is 2 times repeated. So if when these two only one repeated means repeated linear factor only. This also need not to be repeated. If it is repeated, okay. Not repeated means no problem. So therefore, whenever problem is like this, how to split into partial fraction means a by x minus x plus 1 repeated plus b by x plus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 3, because this is non-repeated, as usual you write. 2 times repeated means 2 times you have to write x plus 1 whole square. If it is x plus 1 whole cube, then what you will do? A by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 1 whole square plus c by x plus 1 whole cube, then d by x minus 3 we will write. So repeated means 3 times means we should write 3 times. That is how we should split into partial fractions. This is type 2. What you said here? Denominator containing non-repeated linear factor. Here denominator containing repeated linear factor. Type 3 now. Here type 3. So what is type 3 means? Same, it must be a proper fraction. That is compulsory. If it is improper fraction means you have to divide and put into proper fraction. That is compulsory. So now if it is x by or x plus 1 by, you write whatever you want, no problem. X square plus 1 into x plus 2. Suppose it is like this. Now see, x square into x cube. Here x power 1 by 3, proper fraction. Now, but here what happens? See, denominator containing non-reducible, irreducible quadratic. Irreducible quadratic. This is, what do you mean by irreducible quadratic? Means where you cannot split into a square minus b square like that. Suppose for example, x square plus 1 is equal to 0. What is x square? Minus 1. What is x value? Complex. It is not, you cannot split into reals. There is no such real where x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Whatever value substitute for x and square it, you never get 0, because square always positive. Positive plus positive give positive only. You cannot get 0. So therefore it is called irreducible quadratic. This is called quadratic. Power 2 is there. You understood? Here power 2 is there. So therefore it is called quadratic. If it is there like this, how we can split means ax plus b by x square plus 2, ax plus b by x square plus 1, sorry, x square plus 1 plus c by x plus 2. Why you wrote c by? This is only one non-repeated. This is linear factor, non-repeated. How will write? A by and c by x plus 2. Okay. Now 3 types. Generally these 3 types only will come into your exam, in your PU level, in your mains level also. Okay. If more than that is there, that time we will discuss. Okay, first let us learn about these 3 are very important now. Point number 1, type 1, type 2, type 3. If you understood this, we can go to the directly problems. Now once again, denominator, first of all, it should be a proper fraction. Point number 1, it should be a proper fraction. Next, point number 2, one of these 3 types you have to select, then you should write in this point. So this is what is the first type will say, denominator containing non-repeated linear factor. What is type 2 will say? Denominator containing denominator containing or repeating linear factors. And repeated linear factors. Next, denominator containing irreducible linear factor. Irreducible quadratic. Irreducible quadratic. When denominator containing irreducible quadratic, then we should put into the form of ax plus b by x square plus 1, and if it is repeated linear factor, a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 1 whole square. If it is not a repeated linear factor, only one time, a by x minus 1. Here not only one time repeated, 1, 2 times repeated, 2, irreducible, ax plus b, x will come, ax plus b, and a function with constant, ax plus b. You may ask, sir, x square plus 1 whole square is there, means what happened? Repeated irreducible. Repeated means this type of problem will come. Irreducible, this will come, means ax plus b by x square plus 1 plus cx plus d by x square plus 1 whole square, that will come. Correct? So the form won't change. So slowly by practicing will come to know. Okay. These three methods, type 1, type 2, type 3, you have to remember before we are going to start our exercise. Okay. My dear student, I think you understood now. Okay. Read this once again. Your textbook also, if you read it, you will come to know. Okay. Let us move to the problems now. Okay. Denominator containing non-repeated, denominator containing repeated linear factors, denominator containing irreducible factor, irreducible quadratic. Irreducible quadratic means you can write. These are the three types which you remember it. Okay. Let us move to the now exercise. We will see now what is the exercise now. So I am very confident that you understood. Okay. Now let us move to the exercise that is called partial fractions. Using partial fractions, finding the integrations. Okay. Now that is exercise 7.5. 7.4 we have completed. You people also gone through that. Now exercise 7.5 now I'll write here exercise 7.5. Now problem number 1. So what is the problem number 1? He is asking integral x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. This is the problem given. Integral x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. As soon as you see the problem, you came to know that it is a proper fraction and denominator containing non-repeated linear factors in your mind. So now what you will do? Separately you take first as a proper partial fraction x by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Let us take now a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. b by x plus 2. Okay. A by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Now take LCM. Now what will happen? So to understand yourself, I am doing these many steps. Afterwards I won't do it. You can understand now. A into x plus 2 LCM plus b into x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So then what happened now? Here x plus 1, x plus 2, here x plus 1, x plus 2 cancel. So here afterwards directly I will put this one, these two. Okay. Now how it has come, will come to know. Okay. My dear students, now our duty is to find a value, b value. So in so many textbooks they will say put x is equal to minus 2, make one is 0, then you will get another one is 0, then you will get this. Directly we cannot put, because to be frank we cannot put, because minus 2 and minus 1 is not in the domain of this function. What is the domain of this function? Function you learn, domain of this function is what? Means set of real numbers minus 1 comma minus 2. What does it mean? This function will take all the values except minus 1 comma minus 2. So we cannot use minus 1 minus 2 put like that here. But if you what will be, they'll ask you, means theoretically, sir, put x is equal to minus 1, put x is equal to minus 2 also, we are getting answers, because that concept is different. That is called, again you will go to the limits concepts. Okay, as you know that limit extends to a, f of x is equal to f of a, that concept will use. That is, limit extends to f of x is representing is different, f of a directly representing is different. So wherever it is necessary limit extends to f of x, that will represent. F of a we cannot put, but theoretically both are continuous function, means both are equal. So that is the reason they are taking x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 2 directly, which you should not do it. But if I change now, everything will collapse. People cannot understand that, so I'll also follow the same thing. But why it is not there, just I explained you. Why cannot you take it? Okay, the denom, when you take this as function, in this function domain minus 1 minus 2 cannot be there, then how will put x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 2? Tomorrow nobody should ask me. This is the reason, this we will put it. But why I am doing, everybody is doing. If I change now, tomorrow in examination if you go, they strike, they don't understand and they strike, means problem will come you. So generally we will proceed like that. Okay now, so basing on that, put x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1 means what happened? This will become 0. So put x is equal to minus 1 here, minus 1. Okay now, wherever x is there, that minus 1 is substituted. Is equal to a into minus 1 plus 2. How much minus 1 plus 2? A. So this implies we got a is equal to minus 1. We got a is equal to minus 1. Put bracket like that. Next what we'll do? Put x is equal to minus 2. Put x is equal to minus 2. Plus 2, 0 in means x plus 2, 0. X is equal to minus 2. Wherever x is there, minus 2 left hand side. Here this will become 0. So b into minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is how much? Minus b. So therefore this implies b is equal to 2. So we got a value and b value. So now integral x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. How can you write now these fractions? You can write as here a by x plus 1. A means how much? Minus 1. Integral minus you take outside. Into minus 1 by x plus 1 dx plus b by means 2. 2 into integral 1 by x plus 2 dx. So now as you know that it is a linear point x power 1 linear function, integral 1 by x log x. So that formula you can apply here. So therefore it is minus log x and log mod of x plus 1 plus, okay, plus 2 into again log mod of x plus 2, correct? 1 by x, log x2 is there. If I simplify further, how much you will get? I will write here 2 log, here say 2 log of x plus 2. How can write n log x? N log x means this is there. N log x, how can you write? Log x power n means log x plus 2 whole square. So this way according to the logarithmic theory. So x plus 2 whole square minus, here minus is there, see, minus log of x plus 1 minus mod log of x plus 1. Then it is in the form of log a minus log b, which is nothing but log of a by b, means x plus 2 whole square by x plus 1 plus c. We can put like that. Finally we can put indefinite integrals, you know, as I told earlier, we must take c at final. Okay, my dear student, once again I'll explain you. Okay, now integral x by x plus 1 and x plus 2 dx, as and when you see the problem, we came to know that it is partial fractions. Using partial fraction only can split it, and it is a proper fraction and denominator containing non-repeated linear factor. So according to the type 1, I wrote a by and b by. And you said, sir, function don't have two elements, that is called minus 1 comma minus 2 in its domain. Therefore we cannot put x is equal to minus 1 x is equal to minus 2, you said, but you proceeded like that, that is different matter. But if you do without putting x is equal to minus 1 x is equal to minus 2, how can you proceed further? Means we can comparing x square coefficients. Here x quotient is a, here x quotient is b, here x quotient is 1, 1 is equal to a plus b, and there is no constant 0, 2a plus 3b. Solving a and b, we will get these two values. We can do like that, or except minus 1 comma minus 2, except minus 1 comma minus 2, other values you can substitute 0, 1, 2, Like that you substitute, you will get equations on both sides, solve it, you will get A value and B value. Because why we will do like this means, theoretically I told you, theoretically it is equal. So that's why, but by saying directly you cannot say like that. But anyhow, everybody's procedure is following like this means, we will also follow. Okay, put x is equal to minus 1, we got A value, put x is equal to minus 2, we got B value, and wherever A is there, B is there, substituted, then we got minus log of x plus 1 plus 2 into log of x plus 2, where is nothing but log of x plus 2 whole square minus log of x plus 1, log A minus log B, log of A by B plus C over. So this is the integration of integral x by x plus 1 into x plus 2. This is problem number 1. Let us move to the problem number 2 now. So what is given? Integral 1 by x square minus 9 dx. Actually this need not to use partial fractions. You can use, because already we learned formulas. 1 by x square minus a square. Do you remember? No? You remember? See, integral, before that, integral x square minus a square, how we did? Is equal to log mod of x square minus a square. Do you remember this? 1 by x square minus a square. So log 1 by 2a, I will write formula. 1 by 2a log mod of x minus a by x plus a. This is the formula. We already proved also. You verify once again. Integral dx by x square minus a. This is the formula. So using this formula, how much you will get? 1 by a square means 3 square into 3. 2 into 3, 6 into log of x minus a means how much? 3, x minus 3 by x plus 3 plus c over problem. But how to use partial fractions? One more question is given. We will do like that also. See, in examination, this method only you have to do, that method only you have to do, nothing is there. Whichever feel easy, without loss of generality, whatever you do, that is correct. So, according to this now using partial fraction, how we will do means, integral 1 by a square minus b square means x minus 3 into x plus 3 you split dx. Correct? A square minus b square, I wrote x minus 3 into x plus 3. Once again, it is a proper fraction, it is non-repeated linear factor, it is type 1, we can write a by and b by. So 1 by x minus 3 into x plus 3 can be written as a by x minus 3 plus b by x plus 3. Correct? According to our principle type 1. Again we will take LCM 1. This will come here, a into x plus 3 plus b into x minus 3. But here x minus 3, x plus 3 cancelled. So again what we will do now? I will tell you here. Put x is equal to minus 3 because 1 must be equal to 0. Put x is equal to minus 3 means that nothing is there on left hand side, x to substitute. Right hand side minus 3 minus 6. So 1 is equal to minus 6b. So this implies b is equal to minus 1 by 6. Okay na? B is equal to 1 by 6. Now put x is equal to, again you say, put x is equal to 3. This time x minus 3 is equal to 0, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So here 1 is equal to 6a and a is equal to how much? 1 by 6. Now once you know a value, b value, substitute here. So here 1 by 6 is there, here 1 by 6 is there. You take common. So now what you can do now? I will write here 1 by 6 into integral of 1 by x plus 3 dx. Correct? Here minus is there, b value, so minus. So minus integral 1 by x plus 3 integral dx. Now you see how much you will get? 1 by x plus 3 log of x plus 3 minus log of x minus 3, sorry, log of x minus 3 minus log of x plus 3, log a minus log b, log of a by b, log of x minus 3 by log of x plus 3. Here you see, same 1 by 6 into log of x minus 3 by x plus, same. So method whatever you do, answer you are going to same only. But which method is easy, you should do, then apply. But here, y has given, how to use partial fractions, he has given. You understood, my dear students? Okay? Yes. Let us move to the problem number 3. I will just rub it off. I feel that you all understood this now. Okay? Now, let us move to the next problem. Problem number 3 now. Problem number 3 now. Okay. So whatever you explained, again the formulas. Before that, what has happened? Every day you should remember. Otherwise, you cannot do it. Okay. Problem number 3 now. In this, what is given? Problem number 3. Integral 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx. This is given. This is given problem number 3. 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx. So here denominator, what is x power? 1. What is the denominator? X power 3, proper fraction. Anything is repeated here? No. Again it is type 1 only. Denominator containing non-repeated linear factors. Therefore, how can you write now? Yes, we'll write here. 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. You know LCM. LCM is this only. Whatever be there, this is LCM. So 3x minus 1 is equal to, when LCM is this, x minus 1 gone. These two will be there. So now what you should write? A into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into, except this, x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into these two, c into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, now by denominator I showed you, both will get cancelled. So this is what you want. Again the same principle. Put x is equal to 2. You make one of them 0. 0 and anything 0. Here also 0. So therefore here 3 into 2 6. 6 minus 1 5 is equal to, here you substitute b into 2 minus 1 1. 2 minus 3 minus 1. So this implies b is equal to minus 5. So direct steps I am putting now. B into minus b is equal to 5. B is equal to minus 5. Because otherwise so many steps will come. Next, put x is equal to, next one 3. This time make this is equal to 0. So this will become 0. This will become 0. 3 into 3 9. 9 minus 1 8 left hand side. So now here 3 c into 3 minus 1 2. 3 minus 2 1. This implies c is equal to 8 by 2 4. We got c value. We got 8 by 2 4 c value. Next, put x is equal to 1. This time this one is same. How many different are there? There you make 1 by 1 zeros. X minus 1 0, x is equal to 1. 3 into 1 3. 3 minus 1 2. 2 is equal to, so a into 1 minus 2 means minus 1. 1 minus 3 means minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2a is equal to 2 and a is equal to 1. Okay, my dear students, we solved a value, b value, c value. Now let us move to the integration now. Once you got the value, integration is very easy. Why? Because it is in the form of 1 by x. Integral 1 by x log mod x, correct or not? So we will do like that only, no? So therefore now we will go to like that. So what is the integral of given problem? Integral of given problem 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx is equal to, now a by, a means 1 by, so integral 1 by x minus 1 dx, dx don't write to forget, plus b by, b means minus 5, so plus into minus, minus 5 constant outside into 1 by x minus 2 dx plus c by, c is also how much you got? 4. So 4 into integral 1 by x minus 3 dx. So like that I substituted a value, b value, c value, 1 minus 5 4. Now what is integral 1 by x? Log mod x, log mod of x minus 1 minus 5 into log mod of x minus 2 plus 4 into log mod of x minus 3. You can leave like this also. If you want to do further simplification, I will tell you how to do. So this is nothing but log mod of x minus 1. Again this is n log x. Log x power when you can use means log mod of x minus 2 whole to the power of 5. In the similar fashion, log mod of x minus 3 whole to the power of 4. Correct? Now you see, first function positive, last function positive, positive plus positive, and means log a plus log b, log ab. Log ab means what? X minus 1 into x minus 3 whole power 4 will come into the 1. Log ab, log a plus log b minus log of, how much you got? X minus 2 whole to the power of 5. Now again it is in the form of log a minus log b, log of a by b. A by b means x minus 1 into x minus 3 whole to the power of 4 by x minus 2 whole to the power of 5 plus c. Finally you put plus c. Oh, that's all. This is after simplification. Okay, this is what the integral of this. How to find out first partial fractions? This. By practice, you can do even more fast also. Okay, my dear student. So for whatever the partial fractions problems we did, all type 1 only. Okay, let us move to the problem number 4 now. But 4, I'll give as homework. Now I'll write here because you can do it. Homework problem. Homework. What is that? Integral x by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx. That's all. This is the problem. So what is the difference here and here? You see, 4 by x minus 1 and x minus, here x minus 1, x minus, x minus 3x minus is given, here only x is given. So left hand side, instead of 3x minus 1 we will write here x, remaining all same. So that's why you do this is as homework. This is problem number 4. Problem number 4 as homework. Again proper fraction. Again denominator non-repeated linear factor. Again it is a by b by and c by. Okay. Let us move to the problem number 5 now. Problem number 5. Okay. You followed. Okay. Let us move to the problem number 5 now. So my dear students, these many days I think you did first year entrance, correct? Okay, come into now, again recall your previous problems in this integration, formulas and everything, so that you can easily follow us. Right? If you don't know the formulas, it will become again problem. While teaching you may feel easy, but afterwards whenever you do individually you may not do it. Okay, so now problem number 5 now. Problem number 5, what is given? You see, integral. Problem number 5, integral 2x by x square plus 3x plus 2, one quadratic equation is given. So now let us see whether we have factors that is quadratic equation or not. If no, if you don't have any factors, we will route the type 3. If it has factors, no problem, we can do type 1 or something. So this I can do these factors because 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. Directly I am writing. It is nothing but 2x by x plus 1 into x plus 2. You see, this is also type 1 method only. He has multiplied and given, thus again multiplied and put into this. Again is a proper fraction. Here x power 1, here 1 into 1 2, 1 by 2, proper fraction, and denominator is non-repeated. So we can write as a by x plus 1, a by x plus 1 and plus b by x plus 2, like this. A by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Again if we simplify further, a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Okay? Okay or not? Now already you put x is equal to minus 1, put x is equal to minus 2, we did 2 3 problems. Now without using that, how you can do that also I will tell you. You learn it better. Afterwards you do your interest how to do it. No more than whatever method you want you can follow. But I just explain you. Because x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 2. Put x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. X plus 1 is equal to, put x is equal to minus 1. We said directly should not take. So what to do, how to do? Comparing, I will write here. Comparing. Here x coefficients. X coefficient on both sides. Comparing x coefficient on both sides. Comparing x coefficient on both sides means what is x coefficient here? 2. Here what is x coefficient? A. Here what is x coefficient? B. So a plus b is equal to equation number 1. Next, x coefficient and constant. Directly here only we will write. And constant terms. Constant terms. So whatever is possible that you write. Here constant only. There is no constant on left hand side. Therefore it is 0. Here 2 into a. 2a. Plus 1 into b. b. You understood, you know? Constant term means this. So now this is equation 2. How will do? 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2 doesn't matter. 2 minus 0, 2. A minus 2a minus a plus b minus b cancel. This implies a is equal to minus 2. This is how we will do it. Okay, na? A is equal to minus 2. Now once you know a is equal to minus 2, substitute here. Minus 2 if you bring this side, plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So b is equal to 4. We got b is equal to 4. Now a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 4. Now these two values will substitute here and we will find out the integration. Now I will do here. So now what will happen now after getting, so integral 2x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx, x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. How can you write means? So here you see a by means minus 2 integral 1 by x plus 1 dx, and then plus b means 4 into integral 1 by x plus 2 dx. Like this we can do it. So now minus 2 into integral 1 by x plus 1 is nothing but mod of log x plus 1 plus 4 into mod of log x plus 2. So if you simplify now, how can you write? This is nothing but minus log mod of x plus 1 whole square and plus log mod of x plus 2 whole to the power of 4. Now what happened now? You know n log x power n. We did, you know, that's what directly I am doing now. Log a minus log b, log of a by b. A by b means x plus 2 whole to the power of 4 by x plus 1 whole square plus c. Oh, that's all this problem. You understood now, you know? This is how we did. So whenever it is given quadratic equation, we have seen whether it is split into factors or not. When you split into factors, again it is in the form 1, that formula we have proceeded, and this time we are not taking x is equal to minus 1. In other way we solved it, we got it, we simplified it. This is generally we do. If you feel lengthy, you can leave it, put x is equal to minus 2 directly, we can write. So why just I told you what is the theoretically we will say, and otherwise how we will get it. Okay, my students, I feel that you are able to follow this. Okay, next problem number we'll see now. So before I go and rub this again, you just see this. Okay, now problem number 6 is there. What is there we'll see now. 1 minus x square into x into 1 minus 2x. Yes, this problem we'll see now. This is improper fraction has come now. Okay, na? Improper fraction has come. Now I'll rub it off this. Again we'll proceed to the problem number 6. Okay, now so these are all, because already there you understood, you note down once again, no problem, and you do once again yourself 1 to 2 times, then you never forget. Anytime if you conduct exam also, you are ready to do all these problems. Okay, so daily before coming to this opening to learn this about this video, you write formulas once again daily, then open this. Then it is easy to understand yourself. Okay, next problem number 6 now. I'll write here problem number 6. Integral 1 minus x square by integral 1 minus x square by x into 1 minus 2x dx. This is the problem. This is the problem given. Now according to our principle means what is here? 2x into x is how much? 2x square power x power 2. Here also 2. Then it is called improper fraction. When it is improper fraction, it is your first duty to put into proper fraction. If it is 1 minus x is there means we are the very happiest persons. Why, sir? 1 minus x square can be written as 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Correct? Huh? So 1 minus x would have got cancelled. Happily we would have did the problem. But unfortunately that is not there. So now how to do, sir? Divide it only. Divide it only. So I can write this problem like this also. You see, integral. I will take common minus. Then if you take minus common, x square minus 1 by denominator also I will take minus common here. So then it will become 2x minus 1 into dx. Why you take minus common, sir? Because you should not feel while dividing any problem. Like that I took. Otherwise nothing. So now you see x square minus 1 is there. That one you should divide 2x into x. 2x square with minus x. This is a long division. In your 8th, 7th, 8th, 9th classes you learn it. So x into 2x minus 1 is how much? 2x square minus x. You have to divide x square minus 1. You know it. What is the first function here? X square. What is the first function here? 2x square. If we divide it, what will happen? X square by 2x square means what happened? Here x square cancel. 1 by 2 times it go. That 1 by 2 times you should write here. Correct? So 1 by 2 into 2x square means what happened? 2 cancel, x square will come minus 1 by 2x. Correct? 1 by 2 into minus x minus 1 by 2x, as we are doing in our fundamental, basic level classes. That is how we are doing division. Okay, now what you have to do? Subtract, minus plus, these two cancel. So 1 by 2x minus 1 is there. 1 by 2x, this is plus will come, this is minus 1. Now further you have to divide or not, we will decide by seeing the power. What is the power here? 2, x power 2. Here what is their power? 1. 1 by 2 proper or improper? Proper. Leave it here. Need not to divide further also. Okay now? So now how can you write this now? This we can write as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2x square minus x means x into 2x minus 1. You understood? You understood, you know? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. See now, I will show you. 8, 9 is there. You are dividing with 4. 2, 4 is 8. Remainder 1. How will write this is? You tell me this is how will write? 2 plus 1 by 4. 2 times plus remainder by division. So same here I did. Half plus remainder by division. Correct? So this is what you got. So now also if you want to take negative quotients, you can take it. But again, we want to write like this. 1 minus 1 by 2x by x into 1 minus 2x you can write. That is also nothing wrong in it. If we keep like this also nothing wrong in it. It is up to you. No problem. Now, whenever you got like this. So half. So this is the problem. Now I will write here. 1 minus x square by x into 1 minus 2x. Now can be split into 1 by 2 plus. This is again proper fraction. This proper fraction again we have to put into partial fractions. Now I will write here 1 and x by 2 minus 1 by x into 2x minus 1. This is also power 1. Here x1, 1 only, non-repeated linear factor type 1. So how can you write now? A by x plus b by 2x minus 1. Correct? Huh? A by x plus b by 2x minus 1. I told you no, denominator only important, numerator only helpful for to find whether it's a proper function or not. That much only. After that you don't have any role. So that's why we are least bothered a bit. Here x power 1, here x power 1, a by b by. That's all. Now simplifying means we will put here. So now I will write now x by 2 minus 1 numerator is equal to a by, I will write directly, after next step we will remove it. X into 2x minus 1 is equal to, already I wrote here, I am sorry, is equal to, now take LCM now, a into 2x minus 1 plus b into x, bx, okay. Here denominator cancel. Again our story, same story will repeat, put x is equal to 0, because alone x is there, nothing is there means x is equal to 0. 0 by anything 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, a into 2 into 0, 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, this implies a is equal to 1, over. Next, put x is equal to this time 1 by 2, why? Because this I made 0, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2, substitute here, x is equal to 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 by 2, 1 by 4 minus 1 is equal to a, because this is become 0, b into 1 by 2, because this only made 0, that's what is 0, b into 1 by 2. If we simplify, 1 minus 4 minus 3 by 4 is equal to b by 2. 2 goes here 2 times. This implies b is equal to minus 3 by 2. Put one bracket here. Once you know a value, b value, substitute here. This is nothing but integral a by x. A means how much? 1. 1 by x dx. Plus b means how much? Minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 constant, take it outside. Integral 1 by 2x minus 1 dx. Correct? 2x minus 1 dx. Now integral 1 by x is how much? Log mod x. Alright? Log mod x. Now here you see, if you take negative here, will become plus. So answer you may vary. Doesn't matter. Answer matter means if you take minus common here, minus by minus plus, log of 1 minus 2x will come. So leave it off. Proceed like this only. So log x minus 3 by 2. This you treat as x. This is 1 by x. Log mod x is correct. Over? Not over. By x coefficient is there too. Here you must be very careful. Here there is no x coefficient. Directly you wrote log x. Here, though you are treated as linear 1 by x formula, but x derivative is there. Derivative means what will do? Into 2. Integration means by 2. That's why by 2 I put. So finally, what you will write now? It is nothing but log mod x minus 3 by 4. 3 by 2 into 2. 3 by 4. Log mod of 2x minus 1 plus c over. Log mod x minus 3 by 4. 2x minus 1 plus c. So once again, this problem is, problem number 6 is an improper fraction. How you have decided this is improper fraction? The variable power of the numerator, the variable power of the denominator are same. Then it is called improper. Whichever improper problem, we should put into proper problem. How will put into proper problems are dividing it. So to divide 1 minus x square, if you divide x minus 2x, you will get doubt because so many people cannot understand. That's why I took minus common here. Then it will become x square minus 1 by, I took minus common here, x into 2x minus 1. Now it is easy to divide yourself. X square minus 1 into x into 2x square minus 1, x square by 2x square, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into minus x minus 1 by 2x, subtract 1 by 2x minus 1, here 2, here 1. So therefore, it is a proper fraction. If it is a proper fraction, means there only stop it. How can I write now total problem now? Half plus remainder by divisor. So x into x minus 1. This is there. Okay, now here, now I took this one. Proper fraction, x by 2 minus 1 by x into x minus 2x minus 1, a by and b by. Correct? A by and b by. Again we solve it. You know it how to solve. Then we got it. So finally, final answer is what? Finally, here 1 by 2 also is there, 1 by 2 plus this means 1 by 2 plus this. Integral 1 by 2 integral 1 dx. Integral 1 by 2 dx means what? 1 by 2 into integral dx plus this is whatever we got it, log x minus 3 by 4 into log of 2x minus 1. This is what we got it. Correct or not? Now integral dx is how much? X and x by 2 plus log mod x minus 3 by 4 log mod of 2x minus 1 plus c. That is what you do. Okay, here also you can, okay, this is a problem, this is a problem. You can do like this also, no problem. Okay, now this is the final answer is, okay, this is improper fraction means this much is there. Division, next operation, interval again divided, then it's to do finally we have to do it. You understood? Okay, let us move to the next problem, problem number 7. Okay, my dear students, problem number 6 is over. Now any homework is there, I will tell you. Then we will go to the next method because that is better. Okay, I think you all understood. Please do once again. You definitely can understood. You can understand this. Okay. Okay. Practice anything. Practice makes man perfect. That you know it. So in the same way, if you practice 2-3 times, naturally white has come. White has come. What is the division? Again you will recall your all old whatever you did. Your old, and old means what? Your 8th, 9th school days, whatever fundamentals you learned, that is useful now. Okay, let us do this. Now let us do once again all of this. Now we will go to the problem number 7 now. Problem number what? I'll see any homework problem is there. Any homework problem is there? Let me see with the same method. Otherwise, we'll go to the next problem. Any homework problem? Yes. Problem number 11 is there. Problem number 11 you can do is homework. Okay, now I'll write here. What is the homework problem plus problem number 11? Homework problem. Problem number 11. Integral 5x by what is there here? X plus 1 into x square minus 4. X plus 1 into x square minus 4 dx. This is the problem number 11. If you see this, how can you write now 5x by x plus 1? This, it is a quadratic, but you can split into factors. So that is how can you write x minus 2 into x plus 2 dx. So which formula it has come now? Denominator containing non-repeated linear factor, proper fraction only. A by x plus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x plus 2. So my dear students, using first method, please do it. So I have given 2 problems for you for what is called homework. Okay? Okay. Let us now today up to this method 1 up to this you please practice it. Next class we will do next method problems. Okay, my dear students, thank you.